Right, greetings to all of our Tanda Tula family, past and future. So as you all know, we're currently on lockdown at the lodge. There's a couple of us keeping the old campfires burning. And with our morning sofa safaris, we thought that there was something missing. And then it dawned on me this morning that we've not yet shown all of you how to make our morning Tanda Tula rusks. So what I thought I'd do today is I'll show you exactly what goes into the rusks and then make up a batch so that you can see how we do it. Great, let's get started. So very simply, it's a very easy recipe to do, because what we're going to do is we're going to mix all of our dry ingredients together, we're going to mix all of our wet ingredients together, and then we're going to mix it into a nice sort of sticky dough, pop it into our roasting pan, and then we're going to put it into an oven 180 degrees for about 40 minutes. Let's start with adding our brown sugar, our rolled oats, and our flakes. Give it a bit of a stir just to incorporate. Now to that we're going to add our pumpkin seeds, we're going to add our cranberries, our sesame seeds, and of course our coconut and our baking powder. Give it a good mix again just to make sure we incorporate it and mix all those ingredients through. Now once we've mixed all these together, we're then going to just put this to one side, and then we're going to mix all of our wet ingredients together. So into our yogurt we're going to put our 3 eggs, and we're going to put our butter. And we give it a nice gentle mix so that all of it is well incorporated, and make sure we mix those eggs into the yogurt. So once that's all mixed together, we're then going to put all of this into our dry ingredients. Now start with a spoon and just slowly incorporate, and then when everything's almost mixed together, then it's the fun part, because then we're going to get our hands in here and we're going to mix it up. Once that's ready, we're going to then pop it into our roasting dish over here that I have pre-greased, so please don't forget to grease your roasting pans. So once that's ready, we're going to put this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees centigrade, and we're going to bake this for about 35 to 40 minutes. And then once that's done, we'll test it with a little knife to make sure our knife comes out clean. And then once that's done, we're then going to slice and dry. Our rusks have just come out the oven. Now these guys have to bake for a little bit longer because of the oven temperature and the oven conditions. So when you're baking your rusks at home, and after your 40 minutes is gone, just keep testing it with a small little knife dipped into the center of the rusk. And if the knife comes out and the knife is nice and clean, that means that your rusks are ready. But if it's still got a little bit of dough on the knife, leave it in for another 20 to 25 minutes. Great. Now we've taken this out of the roasting container, and now we need to slice and dry. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut just little fingers that we're then going to lay on a little baking tray, and then this we're going to put back into the oven at about 50 to 70 degrees centigrade overnight, and let them dry out. So let's start cutting. So now our rusks have dried overnight, and as you can see they're nice and crispy. So now all that's left to do is to sit back with your sofa safari and enjoy your rusks and a good cup of tea.